And in the silence of steel and shadow, an idea begins.
Not just a machine, but a force built to defy gravity. From liquid fire, strength takes its first breath.
Carbon fiber duramen, light as air, strong as steel.
Every line measured. Every cut deliberate. The mold waits like an empty canvas. Layer by layer, the foundation of aggression. Flexibility meets raw strength. Under pressure, perfection begins. Liquid becomes muscle.
And from the fire, the shell emerges.
Lightweight. Precise. Ready.
But a body without a heart is only potential.
In heat, the body feigns its strength.
And power has just arrived. The heartbeat of the 2026 Foot Rocket.
Controlled explosions. Precision chaos.
And in this moment, the machine becomes alive.
Power without direction is chaos.
These blades will turn fury into thrust.
Balanced to the millimeter. Tuned for dominance.
Now, the heartbeat finds its spine.
Every connection sealed. Every vibration controlled. Energy must be carried safely and silently. Fuel becomes potential. And intelligence begins to spread.
The brain awakens. Mapping power. Measuring precision.
Control is not given, it is engineered.
Direction meets intention.
Where human meets machine.
Precision without hesitation.
Body complete.
Protection against the ocean's fury.
Locked. Secured. Unbreakable.
And now, the moment of truth.
And the beast takes its first breath.
Fire has shaped it. Steel has sealed it. Now, water will judge it.
The first contact.
And power meets resistance.
The ocean enters the veins.
Thrust is born.
Controlled fury.
6,000, 7,000 climbing. Precision over power, always.
Harmony between machine and motion.
It is ready for open water.
Beyond walls. Beyond limits. A mirror of silence, waiting to be shattered.
The arena is set.
One final restraint. Freedom.
Now, instinct takes control.
Now, instinct takes control.
A heartbeat echoes across water.
First glide. Woo-hoo-hoo! Then acceleration.
Speed is no longer measured. It is felt.
And the foot rocket is unleashed.
The hull cuts water like a blade.
Balance meets brutality. Every drop tells a story of force. Beneath the surface, controlled violence. Human and machine synchronized.
40, 50, 6 miles per hour. Stability under chaos.
When the sun disappears, the testing continues.
Designed of jet ski to shine, she, even in darkness.
Silence before the storm.
Visibility, control, confidence, confidence.
Power does not fear the dark.
Agility under pressure.
Night fades, but the legend remains.
Now the punishment begins. Now the punishment begins.
The heartbeat never sleeps.
Back on land, it faces another trial.
Strength, refined by silence.
The final chapter begins.
Tested by water. Tested by darkness.
And still unstoppable. Night fades, but the legend remains.
One last run.
The final chapter begins.
Calm surface, hidden power.
The water begins to surrender.
Speed building. Quietly. This is more than a machine.
And perfected through precision. Raw force, pure direction,